Hey everyone, I'm Brian.
And I'm Nikki.
And we are Cooking with Dakotas. I'm a finance guy with barely any cooking experience.
And I'm a registered dietitian with professional culinary training.
And together, we're going to teach you and me how to cook in the kitchen. Today, we are making lettuce cups for you.
This is a Thai-inspired lettuce cup. We're using different flavors like soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, ginger, sesame oil, a lot of good flavor. And we're using ground turkey as the protein. You can use ground chicken, that's another good alternative, and even ground beef if you prefer. And we're putting this all into a lettuce cup.
We are using butter lettuce, also known as Bibb lettuce, for this. It's a perfect lettuce leaf that is able to be a nice little cup for our meat.
And you can add other vegetables into this or have some on the side. You may be familiar with ordering this as an appetizer, but this can be a meal at home too.
And it's quite delicious. Let's get sizzling. All right, so we have our meat prepared, which is the majority of doing this dish. And from here, we just pile it onto our lettuce cups.
Yep, so you're just gonna take some of your Bibb lettuce.
From here, we're just gonna spoon our meat onto each lettuce cup.
And finally, we are gonna garnish it with some sliced green onions.
You can see how this looks like an appetizer that you might get at a restaurant even. So you can have delicious things like this at home, and they're super easy to make for yourself as well.
Just some of those staple flavor ingredients like the soy sauce, the rice wine vinegar, the ground ginger. While you may not use that for everyday cooking, you can see how simple this dish is, and you can make this time and time again with those same ingredients.
And now you have those ingredients for other things as well. Mm-hmm. We hope you try these at home, and thanks again for watching today.
Don't forget to check out all of our other cooking videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on those notifications, and like this video.
Let us know what you want to see. Have a great day.